students, I hope your preparation is going good. If not, don't worry. Sri Gurukula is here to help you. And I am Anmol Yadav. I will be your physics and mathematics mentor. I am an NEET graduate. So bring out your books. Let's make your preparation stress-free. The next question is, if A and B are independent event with probability of A is 0.3, probability of B is 0.4, then probability of A given B will be. So our options are 0.3, 0.4, 0.12 or 0.7. So formula for probability of A given B, probability of A given B is equals to probability of A intersection B divided by probability of B. And for independent events, A and B, probability of A intersection B will be equals to probability of A into probability of B. So probability of A intersection B will become, probability of A given B will become probability of A into probability of B divided by probability of B. And probability of B and probability of B will cancel out. So probability of A given B will be equals to probability of A. And probability of A given in the question is 0.3. So our correct answer will be option A. I will be back soon. Till then, keep practicing. This is Anmol Yadav from Sri Gurukula signing off.